I'm investigating a premium call center in Umhlanga to find out why it's so quiet. Now, as you know, call centers are usually very noisy, but Alister from Window World has implemented some new technology to reduce noise, allowing people to work in a more productive environment. So I'm here to find out how he did it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe! Good morning, as you guys requested many times on my platforms. Mr. Alister is back.
How's it,
How are you doing, sir?
Like a boy. All good, all good.
Today, you know what? After your first video where you showed us all this luxury homes, etc., people were so intrigued by what you do. They've asked on all the platforms to show us more. So today, I see you brought us to like a really nice place here in Umhlanga. What's this about today?
So basically today we're going to go on the commercial side. We've done residential last week. Today we're starting off with the commercial. As you said, your call center where your upbringings were. So we're going to start off with one call center here, and then from there we're going to proceed.
Tops. You remember my upbringing's in the call center?
You remember the last conversation we had?
Well, it's been a long time since I've been in a call center. So we're entering, what's it called?
Black Signet.
Black Signet.
So basically this is the commercial side that we have created. We create all these, you look at the stuff here that we created here. These are individual, what do you call these rooms here, if I'm not mistaken?
Phone booths that our financial planners use to do calls with clients and meet with them face to face over Teams.
So if I go here, no one can hear what I'm saying and everything now.
No.
Okay, I get what you're saying. So step into my office there one second.
Well, let's step into your office.
Okay. Talk to me, how does this privacy thing work now? What's the technology behind it?
So technology is we're using different type of glazing on this one here. So basic glazing changes on this one here. We've got more of a safety glass here that holds in. We've got a laminated glass over here that holds the reduction of the sun and doesn't let sound out.
Okay.
So they're not double glazed glass as fully noise proof, but again, so these are small solutions that we can offer you guys. So basically these doors and these fixed lights over here, they create that you can hear the echoing inside here. So it's very private and I'm sure you can.
I can barely hear outside as well.
Barely hear outside. So,
okay, so this is like obviously it's an online session where people are talking to someone. Oh, they got a camera and stuff.
Everything. Okay, so you can see that they create spaces like this, like very modern era of the wallpaper, the partitions that the guys create. These are another line of a workout frameless doors that you enter through.
Oh,
so
your doors?
Yeah, seamless doors.
Oh, the call center goes on and on. It's a nice, and it's a very nice call. Is there a kitchen, Maybe we should come and cook one meal, man. Just for old time's sake, you know what I'm saying? We got stove and
this conversation early in the day. We never have breakfast yet.
I think we should sit here and have our meetings, but anyway.
So basically, we also create all these glasses over here. We create all these, you can see these semi glasses and stuff. All this stuff were created by us. You can see all these partitions over here. All have been created by us. You can see for the call center. And then basically these are your boardroom stuff that we create for more of meetings and stuff. These doors are completed by us. They're frameless, seamless doors to give you that more of an elegant look.
They open?
They open, all open. Remember the seamless doors? They can open.
Like a slide open?
They can slide open.
Okay. So
then I'm sure you got your boardroom inside there.
This is a right boardroom to have a meeting, huh? So it's always nice to come and see how nice boardrooms are. So the millions are made here. Brainstorming. Okay, so this is the premium side of the call center. What area this is?
So basically these are individual offices that the guys, executive offices we created.
Yeah, I got the wrong words. I'm saying premium and stuff. I'm thinking
so these are the
executive offices where all the CEOs, etc.
100% boardrooms there.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a nice boardroom.
Over there. And then these are the CEO's offices that we created.
Okay, so all these
all created by
sections were created by you.
All created. Okay. So we use a lot of noise transparent glasses. As you see, all these glasses here, but thicker than normal. The laminated glasses with the resin in the middle there. So noise reduction, again, we're trying to keep them to minimum.
Okay. Now I want to ask a question of the topic. How many plants you'll have in this call center? Because I once calculated. I went to Hollard Insurance.
Right.
I calculated 700,000 rand worth of plants.
Oh, we have a lot of plants.
A lot of plants. 700. I'm being serious, bro. In the whole, I did a whole vlog like this. 700,000 rand. It was crazy.
Crazy.
So I'm calculating in my head. I'll let you know later.
Oh wow! So you guys actually do some teamwork over here. all
What,
together.
the ship?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it
How long it took them to make it?
took us
And how many people?
2
there were
weeks.
different packages.
You mean is that
So-
complicated?
9 to 10 teams.
Yeah, it's that. Yeah, but 9 to 10 teams. It comes in like a different packs.
Yeah.
Oh,
each
okay,
part
okay,
is
I
a
got
different-
you.
It's all numbered.
numbered.
Right.
So each team had a different pack to do, and we put it all together throughout the whole company.
Yeah, it gets everybody to work together
Yeah,
as a team.
yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
that's
Yeah.
awesome. And that's what everything's about today, teamwork, huh?
Yeah.
So in every industry, it's the same thing. Even in
Yeah.
our industry, we all have these guys that we have to work together to make it a team.
Yeah. Teamwork makes dream work.
100%.
So, in terms of legal, now, can you explain to me what the services are for this call center?
So
Is it similar to that clientele life or?
no. So what we do is we specialize in bond insurance. So if you take a bond with the bank and you get approved,
Yeah.
we then offer you insurance to cover that bond in the case of your death, disability, or retrenchment.
Okay.
And then we also got another division in the front that we did that we do life cover for.
Yeah.
It's called Kiveco Investments. We do financial planning, long-term investments, and basically handle your finances for you.
Okay, yeah. How do people get in contact with you guys?
Yeah, you can find us at our website at blacksignetlife.co.za or kiveco.com.
Cool.
Yeah.
Guys, there you have a plug. Now you know.
Thank you.
Thank you. Last time I've been in the call center was such high pressure, loud environment.
See now, we control it now.
And yeah.
We control it with modern technology.
Now I understand.
So modern technology changes
Yeah.
it.
It was so difficult to work in that noisy environment. So yeah, well done, man. Nice job that was.
Yeah. So basically, all these call centers around there, we create all these office spaces right around the entire building facade. We've done all the areas around here, even across the road over there, Mayfair on the lake.
Okay.
We've completed a lot of shop fronts here, giving you the noise reduction stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Wow.
we're good. The next one is going to be exciting for you. Let's move to the next site over here.
I'm
Just
looking
down the
forward
road.
to it.
Down the road. It's going to be awesome, that one. It's got a view for days. View for days, we call it.
Tops.